The lips though are so glossy. And this is my LA Colors High Shine from Dollar Tree. I have like natural lashes on today, and it's kind of a vibe because it makes me feel like the no lash look but semi lash, like, you know what I mean? And I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. It's a cutesy vibe, which these are also Ioni from Dollar Tree. So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel.
Taking me around for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely.
This jewelry company reached out to me, and of course I said yes. But prior to saying yes, I did go on the website to browse what they had, and I am so pleasantly surprised at the beautiful items that they do have. Like, girl. So they were kind enough to send me a couple of items, and I'm gonna review them for you guys. So upon receiving your box, when you do order it, within the box you're gonna get a cutesy little gift bag, and then inside you get this cutesy box with a bow. So it's really giving luxury, you know what I mean? I can't wait for you girlies to see the pieces that I chose. The company's name is Sayabling. So they give you a jewelry care card, instruction card. So it says, taking care of your jewelry is important to maintain its sparkle and shine. Store your jewelry in a safe place, such as jewelry box or a pouch, to avoid scratches and other damage. Avoid wearing your jewelry while doing activities that involve water, such as swimming, showering, or washing dishes. Keep it free from lotion, sunscreen, and perfume, and use a polishing cloth to restore the shine of your jewelry. So I'm not quite sure why specifically it says to avoid doing activities that involve water while wearing your pieces. However, I did wear one of the rings that I received over the weekend, and I took it with me while I was going out of town, and I wore it for 3 days, and I did wash my hands with it, and it didn't turn my finger green. I can continue to update you girlies whether or not it does turn, but for me personally, I didn't experience that. The quality is actually really good. I think that the main reason why they would specifically ask that is just to prevent any damage like that could potentially happen, which I get. Like, when you're wearing like anything costume jewelry related, you don't want to get it wet. But moving on, they also sent over a thank you card, so you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. So I'll list their Instagram and their Facebook down below, as well as their official website and a coupon code for you girlies. When you do order, if you do choose to order, it's gonna come really neatly packed in this box and very protected, which I appreciate. So whether you order a ring or earrings, they're gonna come in a really cute box. It's gonna have the name on the box, and it's a very nice luxury box. So I have in here one of the rings because they fit really tight. They fit really tight in the ring holder, but I did remove like the excess packaging so you guys can get a feel of like how luxury this item is. So how beautiful is this? I feel like such a rich girl when I wear this. It's so freaking beautiful. So it literally sparkles. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at the band. Like, so I chose a size 5 and it fits perfectly on my ring finger. I could wear it on my middle finger too if I wanted to. It does fit a little more snug, but not in a terrible way. And it's just like a statement ring. Truly don't need any other ring on this hand if I am wearing this, just to like have it be the main event on my hand or the main attraction. But it is stunning, and you get 2 rings for the price of 1 if you choose the ring that I list for you girlies down below. So that is entirely up to you if you want to twin with me with this ring. It is very like statement-esque, but like, are you seeing this? Like, it's so freaking beautiful. How could you not? You could even break up the rings and like do that. Just stunning pieces, stunning statement pieces. So I'm gonna be wearing them like this for the remaining of the video. Yes. The next piece of jewelry that they sent over, and here they are, and they're not even that heavy. That's actually really pretty, like with a really pretty dress. I like that a lot. It is so sparkly. Oh my gosh, look at that. Here are the earrings. These will be beautiful for a wedding. I can actually wear these for my best friend's wedding, like as my earrings, because like I don't really have like elegant statement earrings such as these, so I might just wear these for my best friend's wedding with my dress. Absolutely, like that is such a cute idea. I will have all the information regarding the jewelry in the description box below with the links to these specific items as well as the website, and you girlies can browse it yourselves and make a purchase based off of what you like. And then I will have a coupon code for you girlies as well. And yeah, thank you for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next girly video.